exactly what I'm happy with her eyes. Oh, really? And he had the surgery, right? Yeah. So they put a patch over the eye as well. The lazy one. Look at that. You can help mommy now.
Oh boy. Look at that, my.
Lift it up this way, look. There you
It's
go.
Maya size.
No, floor. You do the floor. Oh. Is that nice?
What do you say, my? Did you say thank you?
I don't know where this was supposed to go, so I just clipped it onto one. It's almost like it's an extra piece. Yeah. And that's supposed to come off of there. Lift it from the top, honey. Okay? There you go. Here, let me see. You can mop the floor now. Oh, wow. You'll be able to clear out for mommy. Oh, Nana's